In this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove featured photos on Facebook. It's very quick and easy, so if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure to watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, if you're on Android, click on the top right corner at the three stripes, or on iOS at the bottom right corner. Then at the top, click on See Your Profile. Right here you are on your profile. And as you can see right here, here is my featured photo I want to remove. So just click on the three dots right besides Add Story. And there will be a few settings, but we only need the one at the top, Edit Profile. And then again a lot of settings, but just scroll down and go to the Featured tab. Click on Edit. And once you're here, click on the cross at the top right corner of that photo you want to remove. So I'm just going to click on that right now. And are you sure that you want to delete this? And click delete and click save at the top right corner. Now as you can see, all the featured photos are gone, and if you go back to your profile and refresh, it is gone as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.